Guys, you're welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you'll be able to make money online by watching YouTube video and subscribing to YouTube channel. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys this website. The website is called sportgig.com. So just go and search for this website, sportgig.com, and then so when you search, this is what you are going to see. This is the interface of the platform. So we have here export gigs, and then referral programs. We have login, and then we have here to be signed up. So we just have to sign up on this platform before you'll be able to work here. So where the word works, so an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. So you're able to work on this platform in order to earn as a freelancer, and I also go to this platform and then perform some tasks in order to make money online. So this is how the apps look like. So after creating your account, this is how you're going to see the apps. We have the gigs here, we have the micro jobs, we have survey offer, we have wallet, we have buyers, freelancers, and then you have find you. There are a lot of things here that you can do. So okay, so these are some of the jobs that you can do. These are some that you can do here. So you just have to go and click on micro jobs. Okay, so when you click on micro job, you select find job, and as you can see, this first person here needs someone to complete this task for him, and then he need 42 people. 21 has completed, and he is paying $2. So if you want to work, or if you want to complete this task, you just click on the task, and then it will take you to this part of the task, which is what offer complete and offer plus or subscription. So here you are just going to subscribe to the person's channel, and you'll be able to make money online now. But they have some procedures that you need to follow. They have instruction for you need to follow before you'll be able to get your money. Okay, so do you want to hold this job? It's not required but encouraged, so you can hold this job. Okay, so what is expected from workers? So what is expected from you is that you just go to this website. So you just copy and then paste this on your web browser, and then click. Second one is what to click the big red subscribe button. So then you move on to option number 3. So complete human verification, and then number 5, you will be redirected to the channel to subscribe and screenshot the channel. Okay, so all what you have to do, any process that you are going to do, you have to take a screenshot of that as an evidence or as proof. So require proof that task was finished. So first one, screenshot that you complete human verification. So when you are doing human verification, you have to take a screenshot of YouTube channel, and then link to YouTube channel, and then your username. So you have to take screenshot of all these 4 steps that you are going to follow. Okay, so that you're not able to work and your money will be lost. So you have to make sure that you follow this procedure very well. Okay, then after that, what you have to do that submit your proof. So we have the space here, so choose file, and then you upload your proofs here. So each proof that you took a screenshot, you have to upload all this here, and then after that you see submit proof here, and then you click on submit proof to submit it. So after that, you will be able to get your money, but you are going to verify to see that you actually perform the task before you'll be able to receive your money. So from before you start any task, make sure that you make your own checks, you read about it before you start performing any task on this platform. But so these are some of the other offers, other tasks that you can also perform. More tasks here that you can do in order to make money from this platform. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.